Make sure you patronize them. Papa's Barbecue across the way. But don't miss any of these pulls here. You're going to have to run real quick to get food. As we got the Diamond Deer, Melvin Paulson to Forest, Wisconsin.
Melvin Paulson had a picture-perfect pass.
Temperature cools down, this dry air sets in here. These diesels are loving to run. $319 and 64 is what Mark Weber from Arlington, Minnesota is after tonight. Let's see if he can do it. Get on, Mark. Mark Weber, Arlington, Minnesota, 307. And 32, 307 and 32. This is good. I sure am glad we didn't really need him up here. No, I shouldn't say that. Wayne Keenan has been a great help up here tonight, helping us out.
All right, Ford fans, I know there's one of you out there in the closet somewhere.
Hey, there we go. I heard a few over here. You bet.
We got him. Landon Rooney.
This is classified as a hometown pull for Landon.
Yep, the old blue.
Let's let her rip, Landon. Want to carry it just a little higher. 293 and 55, 270 times in a summer, Daryl, but obviously this has been a unique year. And all of these sled owners are having the same situation. The Hustler Harvester. Viroqua 322 and 25.